two axes. Can we step back for a minute? Stop thinking about the 100-pound force for a minute. Let's look at this 80. What direction is the 80 in?
Negative.
Okay, sorry. Don't say negative just because we're doing right-hand rule, so we're using absolute value because there's an 80 here and an 80 here. It's in the x. What's the perpendicular distance in? The y. So what's the moment got to be in? Z. Let's try the 150. Forces are in the y. Perpendicular distance is in the x. The moment's got to be in z. If the forces are in the y, can there be a moment in the y? No, because they're parallel. So let's look at this 100. The 100-pound force, what direction is it in? Z. Is there a moment in the z then? There's no way there could be a moment in the z. Okay? So now go back to graphics. Is this an isometric or an oblique? An isometric, right? Because everything's off at 60 degrees. What if I come over here and look at this side, the left side? What do I see? I see a 100 up and a 100 down. If I look at the right side, I see a 100 up and a 100 down. Could you try to break this up into, remember the,
Left side, right side.
I have a 100 going up here on this side, and if I'm looking from this side, I see a 100 going down, a 100 and a 100. If I look from the left side. If I look from the right side, I see a 100 going down here, and I see the 100 going up there. So I look at it as two-dimensional planes. But you could look at it whichever way you want. You know definitely there's no moment in the z because those forces are in the z. Okay, so find out what the value of the moment is. What moment does that 100-pound couple create?